Let's make a yogurt dip with hand yogurt. Delicious, easy, so good for a lot of tips. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Boss's Kitchen. This recipe we are making for 4 to 6 guests as a side dish. We need hang yogurt 1.5 cup, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt, cilantro chopped 4 sprigs, 1 sprig chopped mint, 1 tablespoon olive oil, squeeze few drops of lemon juice, cracked black peppercorn freshly cracked. Combine 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, very fine minced garlic, just 1 clove, and combine well. You will get a smooth yogurt dip like this. Enjoy with crackers and vegetables and a lot of other dishes. The yogurt dip I'm trying with a salt biscuit, salt cracker. Just enjoy and eat. This yogurt dip will go beautifully with rice dishes. A lot of rice dishes in my channel. Please subscribe my channel, Joss Boss's Kitchen. Bye.